Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and doing well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful denim crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So we will denim coaster. Another fun area is a denim coaster. Small circular scale of denim can protect your table while adding a modern handmade touch for your kitchen. Create denim placement. Combine denim with cotton fabric or lace for a stylish denim table. They are washable and very durable. If you enjoy home decor, make denim cushion cover. Different shade of blue denim. Create beautiful patchwork design. Add button or pocket from all jeans for extra beauty. And your frames. My next idea is beavers. Frames. Denim plant holder. Cutting down all jeans into denim plant holder or decorative plant cover. The blue fabric create a beautiful contrast with green plant. A denim patchwork blanket is another wonderful project. Join different pieces of denim together to create a warm, long-lasting blanket that is both practical and beautiful. And your weavers. My next idea is weavers denim. Book cover. Add embroidery fabric, paint or colorful button to create a personal notebook or journal book. Children will love denim pencil case. Use all jeans pocket or zipper to create fun and practical school spellings. And your weavers. I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and viewers. Khuda Hafiz friends.